Morning, everybody. It's November 4, almost 10:30 in the morning. Got a lot going on today. Well, I feel like I got a lot going on. I'm juggling lots of stuff. So supposedly, it's not in stone anytime this guy says it, but my plumber's supposed to be out here today. Hopefully he's gonna get a chunk of stuff done today. And then I got an electrician that's going to start tomorrow, and he's going to let me do some work, and which is perfect. Finding people to let you work along with them, so you learn a little bit, but then you also get to save a little bit of money. And then I have contacted the well pump guy, and he's going to get back to me. I contacted him, so we're going to get some information about that. And I have an HVAC guy going to show up here any minute and advise me on my mini splits and how everything works and what to consider on that. Yesterday at Home Depot, found a sale half off on some pavers that Valentina wanted. So I got a pallet and a half of those. I got to go pick that up today or in the next couple days, and my plan is to do it today. I got to hook up the trailer and take that. It's going to be a pretty heavy load. I'm also supposed to pick up some wire for the electrician tomorrow, so he's letting me save some money by doing some of my own shopping because he charges to shop. I'm also going to be picking some stuff up here in the shed and taking it home. So I got a few things going on. Exciting to see some progress going on. Hopefully some things are going to come together. We really wanted to paint. I went and bought the paint sprayer and all that stuff, and we wrapped all the windows and stuff, and now it's supposed to rain tomorrow, the next 3 days. I don't know what to degree it's supposed to, but it looks like we're probably not going to be able to paint when everybody's off. So, and on top of that, we needed paint. We only have 3 gallons, and we need another 5-gallon bucket to be able to complete the job. And when we decided to do this, it was, I think, on a Friday or something. And the paint store was closed all weekend. So I guess that's what you get in a smaller town. Sometimes things are all closed up or whatever. So we haven't even been able to go get paint. So hopefully Valia's going to go get some paint today. I hope with wind and rain and stuff, it doesn't rip all of our plastic off. I don't want to go back and redo it all or any of it. Anyway, so that's the plan. We got all kinds of utility things going on and hopefully painting. And then the other day, I did this. Yesterday, I didn't come out because we did some researching at the store on some things that we'll need for here. And did some work around the house where we live, the cottage. All right, well, that's about it. Waiting on the HVAC guy. We'll try to show you what's going on today. All right, guys, getting ready to leave. Got trailer hooked up. I just ordered all my wire that I'm able to order for the electrician. Give you an idea of the amount of wire he had me order. From Home Depot, after taxes, was around $1,300. So if you're interested in building a house, and so far we're a 640 square foot home, and of course it's going to determine on all the different things you're putting in your house, but we're at about $1,400 into wire, $1,300 to $1,400 in wire so far. I'm going to go pick that up today, hopefully, and go pick up this rock that Val ordered too, the pavers. All right, we're on our way. I don't know how I'm supposed to secure this without sides on my trailer, so did the best I could, and I hope that it's just heavy enough it ain't going to go anywhere. So I might not be doing a good thing there. I don't know. I might get called out on this. But I don't have sides on my trailer. My trailer can hold the weight easily. But I know it's a little iffy. I'll keep an eye on it out the back of my mirrors. Hopefully we'll be all right. I've been surprised before how easily things tow and they don't move and stuff, so I might be a little confident, overconfident, I don't know. All right, away we go. Good morning, everybody. It's November 5, and I was coming out here earlier than usual because the electrician was supposed to start today, and I was going to work alongside him, and they're not feeling well, so they canceled, and that they'll start tomorrow maybe. Plumber was supposed to be out here yesterday. He said he would be here, and I came over, and I'm very disappointed because nothing has been done. I don't like the fact that there's such poor communication, and when they tell me they're going to be here and then they don't show up and they don't call and they just don't do nothing. At least let me know, hey, I got busy or I couldn't do this or this is the reason. But this plumber's been going on about 3 months now, from beginning to now, of us trying to organize him getting out here and him doing the job and me getting the parts and all this stuff. And I finally got all the stuff he needed, and I've got a bunch of pipe out here for him and everything. I bought everything, and I've even dug under the house for him and dug at the ends for him, and he's not getting out here and doing it. So I think I'm going to have to present an idea to him of me getting a different plumber, and hopefully I can find one that can kind of take over and willing to work with me and use the parts that I have, and can see what this plumber was going to do, because this needs to get done. This is getting ridiculous. So it's been raining all morning, and I'll take you over here. So I made it from the Home Depot to here, well, to home and to here, with no issues. But the way the trailer got loaded was uncomfortable. This was too much weight in the back. I mean, we got a little bit over the axle, but it was hard for the forklift to be able to get this stuff on where it needed to go. I thought this was the partial pallet, so when they first brought it out, I was okay with it going here. It had a couple pieces missing on the top, and I just figured that was the partial one, and that there would be a bigger one that we would put up front. Well, when they loaded that and then they brought the partial one, I said, oh man. So anyway, it worked. I made it. It just was not balanced very well, and luckily everything is wrapped and I didn't lose any material. So I'm going to go down to the shed and get some gloves, because I have to unload all this by hand. Not looking forward to it. Oh wow, the ground is quite slick. Ooh. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go see how far I can. I was thinking, because it's raining, to just leave the trailer here, disconnect it, but I'd really rather not leave it with that heavy of a load sitting on it and on the tongue jack and all that stuff. I don't know. Anyway, so let's see what I can get done here. Hey guys, I finished that. Believe it or not, that little pile I think weighs around 3,000 pounds. I believe we did the math and like maybe one pallet was 2,000 pounds. Neana was doing the math the other day. I don't know if it's right or not. She looked up how much these weighed and then multiplied it by how many there are, I think. So it doesn't look like much, but that was a lot. I'm glad I got that done. I'm gonna leave the trailer. It's been a muddy mess. It's been raining, sprinkling, misting. I'm soaked and sweaty. And mud gets all over everything. Like bottom of my flip-flops. My gloves are soaking wet. But I'm gonna go over here, back up as close as I can without getting in the mud. And I have wire for the electrician, so if they happen to come out here when I'm not here, that stuff will be there for them. All right. You know, even though up near where we live, I had my truck broke into and everything, it seemed to only happen, all that crime seemed to happen just when Helene went through and people were down on their luck and things were bad. And I've never had a problem out here at the property, thank goodness. And I have people watching out, neighbors watching out, keeping an eye best they can. But, you know, you guys have seen me working in here and the stuff I'm leaving in the truck, or the stuff I leave in the house. I could take quite a loss if somebody came around. I'm really happy with how safe it is feeling out here and how honest people are and good neighbors and stuff watching out for each other. Looking forward to moving down here and feeling that on a full-time basis. All right, I got to move tractor back over there and we're getting close to being done, I think. I think I've pretty much finished what I can do. I put everything away and hopefully I'll be out here with the electrician tomorrow. All right, we'll see you guys the next time I'm out here.